Relax. You're quite safe here.
Am I dreaming?
No.
Where am I? In bed? What am I doing? Talking to myself.
Look, I must have a star on my door.
Or better still,
A door? A door?
swing doors, huh? Okay, doors. Swing. Now I know I'm dreaming. Dreaming. How do I get to sleep? I'll count those bars on the window. 1, 2, 3, sleep. Please let me sleep. Poetry. That'll work. Come, sweet slumber, and shroud me in thy purple cloak. Doesn't even rhyme. Is that my tea's made?
Paranoid.
I can't stand tea. Harry's High Club. How do I get to sleep?
Trust me.